everyone, welcome back to my channel Knitting Life. Today I'll show you the puff flower. So let's get started. I'm using this pink yarn, this beautiful color, and the hook size 2.5. Okay, according to the yarn. I'll start with the magic ring. I'll be making 8 single crochet stitches to form the magic ring. See, if you don't know how to make the how to crochet the single crochet stitch, please watch the video of mine on my channel. There I explained the single crochet in a slow motion. Okay, pull the yarn from inside the ring, make one of two, and repeating the process I'll make the 8 single crochet stitches to form the magic ring. Okay, like this. After 8 single crochet stitches, I'll pull the first end of the yarn and join the ends uh, last stitch with the first stitch like this and fix it. After fixing it, I'll make the 4 chains. 4 chains. Simply 4 chains, yarn over. From the next stitch, pull the yarn from the next stitch, insert the hook in the next stitch and pull the yarn. See how it is. Okay, now make one of two. Now there are 2 loops of the hook. Again yarn over. From the same stitch 3 times do it. Okay, again make one of 2 last like this. Now there are 3 loops. Again yarn over, pull the loop, pull the yarn from the same stitch, make one of 2, make one of 2 like this. Now you can see there are 4 loops on the hook. Okay, pull the yarn from all these 4 loops, close with the chain. Now I'll make 4 chains. 4 chains. Okay, now insert the hook from the next chain, next stitch, pull the yarn like this, fix it. Okay, pull the yarn and fix the yarn. Again make 4 chains. I am fixing the yarn. Now I'll make the 4 chains for the next petal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again yarn over. Okay, you can see there are 2 loops on the hook. Repeating the same, I'll make the 6 petals and cut off the yarn. Now you can see I'll tie the 2 ends of the yarn and fix it. Okay, cover the yarn ends like this. I'm not cutting them, I'm just covering it from back side. You can cut also. See what a beautiful these flowers are using puff stitch. Puff flowers. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and hit the bell icon to get the notification of all my videos. Thanks for watching.